How much did you spend on
I
that
bought
ticket?
I bought I bought like 20 tickets for $40.
Yeah, it's pretty good risk to reward.
Not bad. Yeah, not bad.
Honestly, I have never won anything in a lottery, so that's impressive.
You win every day.
Yeah, you don't
The,
need
s-
to read a lot.
the stock market lottery.
uh,
Survey says we stay in yesterday's range. That's what I'm thinking today. 645,
survey?
644 areas, max pain. I have a feeling that we're going to have a choppy day. Sideways, choppy, bearish, potentially.
When is Apple's event? What time is it? What time?
10 o'clock Pacific. I think it's. Well, let's look right now. I think it's like 1 or 2.
I do believe, if I'm not mistaken, we're getting the non-farm payrolls or the payrolls or unemployment rate, something revisited, revised. Sorry, revised. Am I mistaken? At 10 o'clock.
1 p.m. today. What are we getting
1
revised?
p.m.? Some
Apple's
kind of
a.
a job numbers or something revised?
Uh, no.
No?
Tomorrow
30
we have PPI.
PP?
PPI.
Yeah, I'm gonna sign up for that masterclass. Yo,
Yeah,
Shannon, you wanna come with me?
let's go.
Let's go together, Shannon. Straight up, you and I make an appearance. You know how I want to actually make an appearance? I want to sit on your shoulder and say hi.
Who is the
Buddy,
kid? Who is the kid? I
I'm
forget
ready
his
to
name.
turn.
I think it was D Money. D Money went to one of his master classes, to Mo's master class.
Okay.
Do you remember that
Yeah,
story?
can you imagine, Sherry? Like, straight up, I sit on your shoulder and you carry me in. 5 minutes, 15, 30, 1 hour.
Do you remember that story from D Money, Dimitri?
Did you meet D Money with us?
Yes, of course. But he spent a lot of money, went to Mo's master class, and he said they just walked around Miami and went to like the Ferrari dealership, went to the bank vaults. He's like, if you keep trading, this is what you can have.
Amazing. Come to New York, guys. I'll show you a mastermind also. I'll take you guys to the Watt building. It's like some shit like that.
I don't know. He said they did like
Um,
live trading, and there he had rented an Airbnb, and he locked himself in the room and didn't let anybody see his computer. The live trading
uh-huh. 30.
makes sense. Oh well. Till I see receipts, I'll be a believer. Till then,
Wow, guys,
Wow, guys.
you know what I see?
You see?
I see some crazy shit, guys.
got
I see
Discovery.
some crazy shit.
I found a discovery, guys.
Albert, good
Uh,
morning. Your mic's echoing.
today could be the day, guys.
Right now it's echoing. Good morning.
Uh, no, it's good now. When you first came on, it was.
Yeah, I found my AirPod. It should be good.
Wow.
Shit. Hold
Look,
on.
guys, I just posted a picture. If this potentially happens, it's party time.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. I'm in puts.
This is a very bearish pattern. Not bearish, but it's a very bullish pattern, but bearish for the SPY. Does anybody oppose?
I see your discovery. I'm just looking at pre-market high supply. Yesterday's high, that 649.70 area is going to be. They're going to step on the gas if they pump through that, because then we got 650 right there, and they'll probably push. So, best area to short, in my opinion, is going to be pre-market highs, yesterday's highs, and if they flip it, get out of the way. They're going to go freight train. Previous close.
I agree with you, Shannon. But those pops is all that we need. Those pops just make like a 15 to 30-minute dump. That's all we need to catch. It's just those crazy pops.
QQQ bumped its head a little bit lower.
I'm in puts.
What?
What's up, Albert?
Shit. I even got my yarmulke on today, bro. I'm ready.
Oh,
Ready to
trust
do
me,
this
the
shit.
market makers are gonna slaughter your ass and burn your yarmulke, buddy. Trust me, they don't give a fuck
That's
about what you're
fucked up,
wearing.
bro. Don't say that. That's fucked up. Leave my yarmulke alone, bro.
I'm just saying, buddy. They will fucking burn your house. They'll take your clothes, take your wife,
Yo,
and
but
take
I
your.
heard the Hasidics kill it in the market. They're just very quiet about it that you don't know. I heard about some of the guys that hold it down, they're like Hasidic Jews.
Could be.
Bro, believe me, a lot of them are very quiet. They make their money quietly.
I mean, if I see a bunch of 19-year-olds on Instagram killing it,
Yeah.
I also kill it.
1 second.
Morning, fam.
What's up, buddy?
Good morning, sir. How are you?
I'm just living the dream.
Oh yeah.
Good.
Is today your last day?
Yesterday they did a little retirement party for me last night.
Hold on, today's your birthday.
Birthday
Yes.
boy, birthday boy. Happy birthday, brother.
Oh yeah.
Thank
Ha- Happy birthday, buddy.
you. Big 4-1.
Let's make some money and buy some hookers, baby. Woohoo!
How's it feel? You have a good retirement
Super
party?
excited. It's super excited, super scared. The retirement party kind of sucked because I quit drinking a little less than a year ago. So sitting with fucking, I don't like to be celebrated. You know what I mean? So sitting
Yeah.
with 50 fucking people, and I'm drinking water at a bar. You know,
Yeah.
I
No
appreciate the
way.
gesture. Like it meant a lot, but yeah, I was ready to get the fuck out of there.
Oh,
But,
you guys should have got cocaine then.
Yeah,
That's
it'll
like
do that
popping
for you.
Skittles at an ultra party.
Honestly, if I could have just smoked a blunt, I'd have been fine. But I quit smoking weed too.
There you
Oh.
go.
I'm all
Now you're
stone cold
talking my
sober these
language.
days.
Oh, you keep trading, you will.
Nah, man, I'm that dude that's fucking smoked like every day since I was like 12, and then just quit last December.
Weed or
And
cigarettes?
No, I still fucking vape nicotine like an idiot. But yeah, I quit smoking weed.
You were smoking weed since 12?
Yeah. Well, it
Damn,
started
this
younger
shit
than that,
different
but
out
I
in
mean,
Alabama.
I'm talking about daily smoking, bro. Yeah, I started smoking young. I just had an older brother, and I hung out with an older crowd. You know, started blazing young. I own Alabama just put this fucking law, so I had like one of those fake weed stores, like a CBD hemp store, and now it's just a vape shop. But that's why everybody be like, dude, how do you own a weed store and you quit smoking weed?
That's crazy.
Yeah, trying to do the sober life, man.
That's what's up. That's what's up. I'm dying to fucking quit weed. Just
You know what? It really just was hard to eat healthy and work out for me. Like, I'm not saying weed makes you lazy, but it definitely makes me lazy. I'd come home and I'd be like, man, I'm gonna eat healthy. I'm gonna work out, and I'd smoke a blunt, and I'd be like, let's DoorDash to McDonald's, man. Fuck this.
yeah, exactly. That's
Good
how I
morning,
am,
June.
bro. That's how exactly it'd be like. It's really hard to fight that shit, and especially the munchies really come on at night. Like during the
Yeah.
day, I don't really. If I smoke, I don't really munch like that. But it's specifically at night you get the munchies like crazy.
hmm I didn't really smoke during the day unless I was off. I would wake and bake like on the weekends, but during the day I was about my business. But like the second I'd keep it with me in the car, so the second I'm leaving work, I'm fucking firing up.
Exactly, it becomes a ritual in the car. That's the problem.
Yeah.
Shannon, did you not see the market update on YouTube, or you're saying since then, since after that?
Ryan, I saw your video yesterday, your psychology video. I liked it a lot.
Oh, nice. Thanks, man.
Yeah, I didn't watch the update or that. I've got them both in the queue though. They'll definitely both be studied.
That one's really good. I think it should be a fundamental. So you can watch that shit first and watch it every other time, or maybe watch it every day.
Shannon, the biggest area I'm looking at today is going to be this pre-market supply and yesterday's highs. If we're above that, we're going to step on the gas.
649.76.
Yeah, 649 70s to 80s, somewhere in there. If I start seeing rejections there, I'm going to take it with a grain of salt before I short it, because if they push, they're going to break out. It'll be a channel breakout. Our demand is going to be 647.90s, and then our lower demand is going to be previous close from Friday, 647.24. That was also our bounce zone yesterday too. So if we just dabble in the middle here from yesterday's range, you just wait for buyers and sellers to line up and try to identify the range, and then you play the cycles accordingly.
Yeah, pre-market high and yesterday high is pretty much the same price.
Right, but QQQ has a lower high, so could be bearish. If QQQ steps on the gas and they double top at yesterday's high. If QQQ flips pre-market high, SPY should get dragged up for a breakout. So we'll see. And just give yourself some time. Let the market breathe when it opens. We do have that Apple event today. It's not until 1 o'clock. I'm pretty positive we're going to sell off on Apple today. So
After 1 o'clock or before, you think?
usually when they start doing the news, it's just a bloodbath. It's like a pump. It's like a pump, and then the news event comes out, and they just sell it all back off. Right now, there's a lot of strength on Apple. Apple just cruised right through freaking previous close. QQQ just wicked right back to supply. So I'm gonna be watching the Qs, see if QQQ get back to 580.80s, and SPY 649.80s. If they step on the gas from there, I'm not going to try to short it. Just see where they want to go first.
As per 9 o'clock a.m., guys, we broke structure. Structure currently remains bearish. 9 a.m. on the 5-minute time frame, we broke structure. Structure is bearish.
Let them go. QQQ is looking like they want to push. Do we have news today?
Apple.
No, the payroll revisions.
Is at 10 o'clock.
Yeah, I don't see it on Forex Factory. Let me see. Let's see.
I have puts on my screen, guys.
I'll give them a second. QQQ's at the top. QQQ breaks their
I
little
entered
supply
put side.
channel.
There's a lot of resistance here.
Feature you in same days or?
No, I'm on Friday's expiration.
I feel like it's pretty safe to say you don't typically hit same days anymore.
No. Very rarely.
So if you're going to be holding long Albert, I would say get a
No.
farther out expiration. If you're going to follow.
649.50 is very crucial, guys. As long as we're below 649.50, we should dump. But then PCP is also very crucial, so I'm just playing the small little tight range.
Right, being that I could identify as whoever as I am, I want to identify as a momentum trader.
Okay. Perfect.
Thank you.
1 or 2 candles, buddy. That's it.
That's all I want, honestly. That's what I'm really into. I hate the holding game, to be honest with you.
Yep. Oh, yesterday I got clobbered, dude. Yesterday was gross.
Well, emotions do come in sometimes, and you're forced to hold. We all hate to hold.
There was a
I
time,
get
right,
it.
the month before I came to this community, I lost like 50 grand that month. And I went back and looked at all my days, and had I just stopped out at $1,000, I would have been up 8 grand. Fucking holding was what made me go 50 grand negative.
That's a cool discovery.
Yeah. I went and added it all up. I was like, dude, I'd be 8 grand in the positive. I'm 50 grand in the negative from holding on to shit that I thought was going to turn around.
QQQ's looking like they're going to try to flip pre-market supply, so just watch out. If you're shorting, the SPY has potential room to go to 649.50s, 60s, POC. And at that point, you might as well just wait and see if they push through. So QQQ's looking bullish, like they're trying to poke through.
As long as we're below 649.50, guys, I'm bearish.
Is anybody holding UNH still? Sheree, I think you had a UNH position, right? UNH is
No
rocking.
doubt that they're gonna give everybody.
No, I know, but it's kind of creeping away from that 300. That was $300 was like that make or break turning point where if bears wanted to stay in control, they had to reject 300 to try to take a leg down. They're up to 330 now, so there's going to be a point in time when UNH where everybody's going to feel like they're going to miss out, and there's going to be a vacuum back north for a day or two.
Guys, if we break PCP, it's party time.
Used with a double bottom almost.
I don't see anything yet. I'm giving this market some time.
A huge cluster zone.
I see rising bottoms out of pre-market. Bullish structure. But this is supply. There's supply all above us right here. So if they're going to poke through, they're going to go fast. 649.60s, most likely.
He's having a hard time staying above POC.
I wonder if they're going to just burn sideways today inside yesterday's range. This would make sense if they did.
That looks like it wants to go higher more than Qs or IWM to me.
Yeah. They got that China wall at pre-market supply, and that's pretty much lines up with yesterday's high. So if they punch through that, then they're going to step on the gas. QQQ doesn't have strength. I got to see QQQ flip pre-market supply also. How's the premiums look today?
They're good. They move very slow though.
Yeah, IV is very, very low. IV's low.
This is the biggest level right here, 649.50. He kept rejecting it completely. Yesterday, pre-market, 649.50, huge level, guys. 60s, 50s.
There's a bull flag on QQQ.
If we break pre-market highs and yesterday's highs, we're gonna make all-time highs.
QQQ is a small bull flag right now. If they peel out of here, they're going to break out.
I doubt that they're gonna do this, honestly.
What's all time highs, like 650, something like that?
Yeah. I just added, guys. This is my level.
I'm definitely making you a shirt that says I just added.
I'm holding Friday's expiration, and I don't believe that we're gonna make new highs.
I'm going to make you a shirt that says I just added.
Hey, can you send me my other articles of clothing?
Yeah. I feel like a fucking TJ Maxx over here. like a sweatshop. Bull flag's still intact on QQQ. As long as they're above the 50 on the 1 minute, bull flag's still intact.
It looks like it's got some perfect sloping resistance.
Could also be a bull flag though.
Yeah.
Or they consolidate down and then explode it back out. We're getting wicks on both sides, small body candles. I'm just going to wait for them to do a big move. No need to rush. Let them do a big move. Either go down and touch previous close.
Yeah. This
or
was
try
the
to take a
biggest level,
smack at
guys.
Supply.
649.50 is the biggest level, guys. Below it, we're bearish.
Beachy, how many contracts are you sitting on?
200. I'm green, by the way. I'm green. I'm just still holding.
Nice. Looks like it's trying to bounce a VWAP though.
Bull flag just broke on the Qs. Let's see if they do a rubber band.
Ideally, I want PCP to break, guys, and I want the macro sloping resistance that broke in after hours, pre-hours, to be back tested. Currently, it's like at 648. So that's my price target for these puts. I don't have 0 dates, so I'm holding.
You know what I noticed about you, Dimitri? And it's not a bad thing, but you don't really play horizontal key levels. You play more like sloping levels.
Yeah, I guess.
Like majority of your key levels are all sloping supports or sloping resistances, not supply and demand from previous days. QQQ is looking like they're going to try to break down now. This is small demand here. If they punch through this, then previous close price target. There they go. I see sloping support, 3 rising bottoms coming out of pre-market. If they hold previous close, I'm going to go long. 649 calls. I missed my entry if they do it right now. QQQ week. Oh, I missed my entry. I'm in 649 calls. This is super dangerous, but if this demand breaks here, 649, I'm out.
Both QQQ and SPY is below POC, and SPY structure is bearish. So be very careful with calls.
Yeah, I'm looking at this small demand here and the sloping support at previous close. If they break 649 fast, then I'll just jump out of it. I wanted to get in on that wick, that 941 wick, right off of sloping support there. Give this candle like 40
I'm
seconds.
holding, guys. I'm holding. My price target is the deep south. Deep south, guys. I'm holding. We're going to make tons and tons of money right now. I'm up 4,600 on this position. I'm still holding.
This is sloping
I'm not
support
fucking
here,
making
though.
that shit.
Sloping support.
I just want the back test of my macro channel. It should back test. I could be wrong and get slaughtered.
I'm just wondering if they're going to do one of those rubber band candles where they look like they're going to break the floor and put a crazy wick and blast it back north, just like this. So I'm going to sit
It's
in
just
this.
gapped up
Fill
on
the
the one.
gap now. Right?
What'd you say?
We keep
You
touching
gotta
off
fill up the
PS.
gap, I'm saying. Because the gap. Oh wait,
filled
oh,
it
already.
wow, I'm looking at QQQ, my bad.
Yeah, QQQ just gapped up on the 1 minute.
That shit usually fills, though. This is POC. We got to get above POC, then the 200. If the 200 gets taken out, I'm going to stay in this. I'm green 9 cents. The 200 I'm going to start trimming. Oh, yeah. That's the 200. Take half off here.
Guys, VIX broke out of its sloping resistance macro.
Seems like they're going to just chop sideways in yesterday's range.
Guys, if VIX is gonna do it right now, it's gonna fucking do it right now, guys. VIX, it's one opportunity right now, VIX. Like that Eminem song right now, guys. Let's go. VIX is about to lose
An
itself.
opportunity, yo, come once in a
Go
lifetime.
VIX.
You
Let's
better
fucking go, VIX.
yourself.
Thank God I
I
took
posted a
fucking
picture.
profits at the 200. Look at this candle.
I posted a picture, guys, about the VIX breakout level. We could have a crazy breakout right now on VIX, guys.
We're actually going into a wedge right now. I'd say wait for them to break out of this range. Either punch through the 200 or break down through previous close.
I'm still holding my puts, guys. Full size, double. My
QQQ.
price
Yo,
Hey,
guys,
target
where
is
the hell is
10.
Ryan G, bro?
Is that his job?
Oh, all right.
I don't know.
You're
I'm
a
just-
fucking dick.
I'm just being silly.
Oh,
Dimitri and
buddy,
I
is
have
this
been
break.
begging him to quit his job because he makes like $30,000 a day.
Oh, buddy, let's go,
On
baby.
what? On option?
No, on the Top Step.
On his simulated video game.
I'm still in runners. Previous close is my stop for runners.
Okay.
I see resistance all over the place, and I see rising bottoms on SPY. We have rising bottoms. Crazy big wicks on QQQ, both sides.
I see the VIX is about to break the fuck out.
QQQ's holding the 50. I don't know. I got $850 on the day here. I'm gonna just stay in this until either the 200 breaks or they're gonna break previous close. I see rising bottoms.
Oh no.
I'm gonna take some more off.
Now QQQ and SPY is above POC.
I just took some more off. I'm at 1700 now. I'm just holding 50 contracts. The 200 is the best area to short as of right now, so that's why I'm selling at the 200. This is our ping pong right now. 648.90 to the 200 is our ping pong range.
Come on, just give me 648 and I'll be a happy camper. We should backtest that macro trend line, guys, that broke.
Dude, they're seeming like they're very indecisive today. They don't want to go anywhere.
I just take my profits.
I'm staying in this until previous close breaks. I booked some more profit at the 200, so I have like $1,200 here, and I'm only holding 50 runners. So if they crack the 200, or if they crack PCP, I'll still have profit. I think they're fooling around here. It's gonna be a big move either north or south. I don't know what. We got wicks on both sides on QQQ. This is the bearish cycle right now. And price is staying elevated.
The thing is that if we clear 649.50
There's nothing.
or 60s,
They're gonna
we're
step
gonna
on the
we're
gas.
gonna go to 652.
Yeah.
That's why I'm so bearish right now.
Put to call ratio is
It's literally an
Put
empty
side
pocket
heavy.
north if we clear.
put to call ratio is put side heavy. Not by much, but
I don't know if they want to do that emptiness today. It invalidates a lot of divergences on the higher time frame.
I keep hanging out at this demand here. They'll probably break it. We're touching demand more than we're touching supply.
Apple's dumping.
It's expected.
Apple is heavily dumping Apple right now.
I'm giving this to previous close. Still
I'm giving
profit.
this to 648. I'm not fucking leaving until 648 hits. If PCP breaks, guys, my desired price target is going to come very fast.
30 seconds. We'll see. I want to close below. I'm going to add 50 here just in case it's a fake sell-off and they're going to bounce it quick. Look at this.
Look at this fucking guy. Does he know?
I mean, we're kind of just hanging out in this channel. I'm thinking if they don't push through previous close here, they're gonna head back to the 200. But
Look at the
QQQ
MACD,
selling
guys.
off now. QQQ wants to
Look
go
at the
sell.
MACD. Look at the volume. Look at the MACD.
VWAP POC's price target, if they give it to me.
You're not gonna get it.
Yeah, I just talked to Jeff. He said,
I'm just looking at the volume. Look at the volume, and they're not doing anything. They should dump. Look at the volume.
but they didn't do anything going north either.
Yeah, that's true.
I'm green. I want a bigger move.
I'm super green. I just don't want to sell.
Same. I'm not
But you have
spooked out
same
yet.
day.
Well, I dollar cost averaged out twice, and then I just put an ad in at previous close. So I'm thinking the VWAP POC area would be price target number 1. Price target number 2 would be the 200. If we close below this previous candle on the 1 minute, then I'll just jump out completely.
He's coming in with bearish volume, guys. We're supposed to go to the deep south. Hit my price target. The VIX is breaking out, guys. VIX broke out of its macro channel. VIX has to break the fuck out. That's why I'm so bearish right now.
You're always bearish.
No, but I do it correctly.
There's never been a day where I've seen you get in calls like 5 minutes into market open.
But I posted this
Never.
chart of the VIX. We're supposed to go down, 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 down right now. Heavy down.
Somehow the narrative always supports a bearish trend with you. That's the thing, bro. It's like there's never any positive news with you, bro. The sky is falling every fucking day with you.
You make more money going to the deep south, though.
I'm telling you, Albert, I'm up 5,200 right now. I'm not selling. I'm telling you, we're
No,
supposed to
I
hit.
guess I
628.
believe you. I believe you. Your narratives work overall.
We're supposed to go to 648 right now. Come on, deep south.
I'm giving this candle 30 seconds. If we close like this down here, I'm out.
Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy.
20
Oh,
seconds.
buddy.
We'll see.
Guys, VIX has a lot more room to go.
Double bottom
I'm
on
holding.
QQQ. QQQ is a double bottom almost.
I'm holding, guys. VIX has so much room. Channel breakout on VIX.
Yeah, I'm going to get out of this.
Oh,
So much
fuck.
room right
Why
now,
did I
guys.
get
I'm
out?
holding,
So
holding.
stupid. Fuck. Actually, no, I'm not stupid.
My last hope is QQQ's double bottom right here in 648.50s. If 648.50s gets taken out, we should go to yesterday's lows.
Oh my god.
647.90s actually would be first, and then yesterday's lows, 647.20.
Please tell me anybody is with me right now.
I was, but then
I'm
I
in
got out
place.
of it at that second candle. I got out.
Is anybody still with me?
I'm still in place.
You have fucking Friday expirations, bro. So it's kind of like shit could
Oh my
turn
god,
around.
there's no money in Friday's expiration. I'm barely making any money right now. Oh my god.
I would sell here, dude. Look at QQQ.
No, VIX, I'm just looking at the VIX chart. VIX has so much more room. Obviously, we're going to have a bounce here because of pre-market lows. But now if PCP is a rejection, party time. Let's see.
QQQ double bottom off a previous close. If they flip this, they're gonna fucking trap.
If it rejects VWAP,
I'm still in calls.
Get back in flips, no?
Motherfucker, I had so much profits, man. I'm still holding.
I'm still in calls. I didn't stop out.
Good thing I stopped the fuck out. I mean, I didn't stop out. I made money. Take that.
It's like a bear trap, just like yesterday.
Yep. This
Bunch
is
of loan and
This
go
is
that
profit
way.
taking zone though. You got to take some off here, and then if they
Whoa,
flip
look
if
at
they flip this,
power.
we're gonna go straight to supply. I'm down to 100 contracts. I doubled 200 on that pullback.
Okay, guys, I'm back in.
What are you in?
But
Be careful because if they
649.
flip this, they're gonna go straight to the 200.
There's a lot of resistance here.
How much were you up at the lows? Why wouldn't you take your profit? Look at QQQ's chart.
Because I'm playing a little bit of a different, what is it called, lane.
You're such a greedy pig.
I had a lot of profit, actually. I didn't take anything. No, theoretically, VIX is supposed to have a channel breakout to at least 1584.
You're in both sides, kid. I'm up 5,000 right now. Still holding. QQQ's rejecting the 200 though. If they flip the 200, it's fucking go time. And it's gonna be a bear trap. I'll give this thing the previous close again.
Let the candles develop, it's fine.
Oh, if they step on the gas, buddy. Let me look at the VIX.
On the gas south, please, not north.
I'd be bullish on VIX if VIX gets above 1570s.
Structure is bearish. QQQ is bearish. VIX is bullish. VIX broke out of its channel. I'm holding, guys. I don't care. I'm holding. My price target is 648 for SPY.
I want them to poke through the 200. That's all. It's not an unrealistic price target. It's fucking 20 cents above us.
It'll take time. I have Friday's expiration. It's fine.
QQQ's rejecting. Looking for a fresh low. Previous close breaks. I'm dumping my runners. I'm out.
Oh, God.
That trade took a while.
Like a sex machine.
3,700 bucks.
Nice.
QQQ is looking like they're holding support there, man. Still, look at this. Fuck. I'm back in calls. I'm chasing this power. That's 10 o'clock. I forgot about that. Oh, yeah. Woohoo!
Flipped fucking red. Fuck.
I'm going to take half off.
I just got my gains wiped out completely. I'm red.
I'm holding 50 runners. I'm sorry, guys.
Holy shit.
I completely forgot about news. I have a $1.05 average. We're at $1.30. One more push and I'm out.
He just rejected off of sloping resistance, guys, off a 5-minute time frame. To the T, guys. 649.50, don't forget. Below it, we're bearish.
Yeah, look at Q's.
649.50 is the best level, guys.
QQQ wants to go south. I'm out of my
49.50.
runners. I'm
I
out of my
added
runners.
puts, guys. I added to my puts, guys. I have 300 contracts now, guys. I added.
Look at QQQ just slice the floor. Be careful trading this chop, guys. I would just wait a second. Unless you're on a fast broker, don't fuck around with this right now.
That was the best level for
QQQ
adding, guys.
rejected
649.
VWAP and they took the floor out. SPY still has demand here, 648.58. I'm gonna get in a
As long
put.
as we're below 649.50, guys, it's puts.
I want to get in a put.
The
640.
revision is even worse, guys. The revisions is even worse. It's 911,000 losses of jobs.
I'm in 649 puts at $1.16.
It was
This is a
even
little-
lower. Wow.
This is a little dangerous because this is demand, but QQQ broke the floor. I want to see QQQ reject previous close, and I'll add. If they flip previous close on QQQ, I will get out of this.
You'd think with bad news like that, there'd be now a direction in the market.
Holy shit, this is such bad news, guys. This is horrible, horrible news.
The market's not responding.
This is very, very bad
It
news.
will.
Market might see it as a
QQQ took the
certain
floor.
rate
Let's
cut.
go. Let's go.
I just want
648.50s.
648.
648.50s breaks, buddy. It's fucking go time.
I know, I agree. I've been holding one trade for all day. I'm just holding for this trade, guys. VIX is gonna break out, guys. VIX has a macro channel breakout. That's why I'm holding and adding to my puts.
It's just dangerous buying puts at demand. That's the only problem. You got to let them pop up first. If anybody got in on that Newswick, that's the best scenario. I chased the bullish power.
No, it's fine. As long as you have a longer expiration date, guys, you're fine.
I'm
up
in 0 days at
7,000
$1.16
There we go.
average.
There we go. There we go. There we
yeah,
go. Come on.
baby.
Come on. Come.
Finally.
Fucking A.
Little
Don't
bit
fuck with
lower.
us now.
Little
I'm
bit
in-
lower, guys. Little
I'm
bit
in
lower.
0 days at $1.16.
I'm
I
not
just don't-
fucking leaving 648.
I don't like this wick below the body here. That's my only issue. They need continuation.
They will. 648, baby.
I love when we're all
Give
on
me
the same
640.
side. Let's do it together. Oh yeah,
Finally, we're on the same side.
buddy, I'm up
Hit the
8,000
fucking
already.
yellow line.
Come on, let's do it.
Use wants to go lower.
Oh.
I'm gonna take some size off here. This is proven bounce zone, just in case.
I'm not taking any size off until we get 648.
Well, we already know, like, thick-headed, stubborn fuck. I don't care. It's a bounce zone. I'm holding.
We're supposed to test this level. That's why this psychological trend line. Technically, we're supposed to test it.
I want one more push south, one break. They did this shit yesterday, and that's why I got trapped. Where I was looking at demand, and I was like, oh, they keep flirting with demand. It looks so obvious. They got to break it, and look, they bear trapped yesterday. So that's why I'm a little spooked right now. I don't want to get caught in the same scenario that I did yesterday, where the demand was looking very obvious, and when it looks too obvious, you think that they're going to break it and go south. QQQ flips previous close. I'm out. I'm taking my runners off. I'm out.
You motherfucker.
Yeah,
I'm
there
also
goes.
out.
There it goes. There it goes. They're gonna do the same shit that they did yesterday. If they flip this, guys, we're gonna attempt supply, strong supply.
Yeah, but it's lower lows and lower highs. Lower lows and lower highs.
If they flip VWAP and POC, we're gonna go straight to the supply. 649.50s. I'm in calls. I'm chasing this.
Lower lows and lower highs. We're in a fucking downtrend tunnel.
I see the tunnel. I think they're gonna trap. Look at the power going north, man. Look at how powerful the candles are. Green candles.
My price target is going to take a very long time to get there if this downtrend tunnel is respected. There's zero reason to chase calls until this downtrend tunnel breaks.
Yeah, I should have waited for VWAP to break. I'm getting myself too excited. I'm also up 6,000 on the day, so I need to take a fucking breather.
I'm getting a lot of deja vu from yesterday.
Yeah, I feel like they're gonna trap, man. They're gonna
They're
make
not
this.
gonna trap because I doubt it that they're gonna make 52-week highs. I doubt it because they're gonna lose all the divergences in the higher time frames. And if we do that, we're gonna go to 700. That's why 649.50 is do or die, guys. If
What
we're
do you mean
below
we're
it, we're
gonna go to
bearish.
700? To $50.
Because all the divergences on the higher time frames are going to be eradicated. Like the VIX divergence is going to be eradicated. Everything, higher time frames of SPY.
When has the market ever
So-
made sense? I'm just playing. I'm playing what I see on the intraday.
I'm just playing the macro perspective.
If they flip POC and VWAP up, they're gonna push fast. QQQ's back above previous close. That's one of my indicators that we're gonna try to be bullish. If QQQ stays above previous close.
VIX broke out of its macro channel. We should stop on VIX. These people are playing games with VIX, man.
I'm staying in this. There's a lot of bullish power on QQQ right now. We're gonna go. We're gonna go north. Look at the power on Qs. I have a $1.48 average. What is this? 648 calls, $1.48.
I mean, this downtrend line is still in effect. This tunnel. If POC and VWAP breaks, it's party time to the north.
Mm-hmm. I just took some off here. I'm holding 100. $1.40 average now. We're at $1.54. That payroll revisions was bad.
Horrible. Worst news ever.
And look at the market.
All right. Tunnel has broken. This is wild. This is disgusting.
I'm holding to supply 649.40s. 200 is going to be first trim zone. Second trim zone 649.40s. QQQ is looking very bullish now.
This is wild.
If I was going to stay bearish, I needed to see QQQ reject previous close. Look at the power that we pushed through previous close. I'm going to take another 50 contracts off. I'm going to hold 50 contracts and I'm going to set my stop and profit 10 cents. No, I'm just going to let this thing work.
15. Oh yeah.
I think it would be too obvious, right, for a put play here.
I
Yeah,
wouldn't
it's way
short
too
this.
obvious
It's way
now.
too much power. I'm up 10,000 on the day. Look
This
at
is
Q's
break of
chart.
structure.
Look at Q's chart.
If they don't break of structure, this double bottom is invalidated. Sloping resistance.
Dimitri, why am I not hearing the add button?
This is
No,
this
I'm
is-
very heavy.
This is a lot of
I'm
power.
disgustingly heavy.
This is a lot of power.
I am disgustingly heavy, Albert.
When you're okay, when it's like this, right? When there's a lot of power coming in, do you know there's a breakdown coming then? Like what validates a breakdown? Like, so you could potentially catch
I
it.
am looking at pre-market highs and yesterday's high.
And that's where every single
If
bear is going to
pre-market
be
highs
adding
and
to their
yesterday's
position.
if pre-market highs and yesterday's highs breaks, we're going to 652.
They're going to flip it. There's no reason
That's
for
why
them
I'm
not to.
looking
Though.
at
This is a
that.
bear trap.
You understand?
They're going to
So
slice
for
right through.
$2 up, $2 up, empty right now, they're gonna have to pay a lot of calls. I don't know if they're gonna do it, but I'm suffering like crazy right now. Right here, this is a do or die zone, guys. This is break of structure. I would add here, but I have a lot. I don't want to add here.
I have 60 cents on my contracts.
This is the best level, guys, to start a put play again. Best level, guys. Best level. This is a break of structure.
I wouldn't short this. I also have no reason to get out of my calls. I have my average is pretty much at the bottom. And my stop is set at previous close.
Are they gonna do an empty pockets at 652 today? I have no idea. It's gonna be like a crazy short squeeze, guys, if they do it. That's why I just doubt.
Right to 1 o'clock.
I just doubt, honestly.
I don't know. QQQ's holding up at the top. SPY above 200 is going to be crucial.
Is it a bear trap or a bull trap? They clap both sides.
That's what they're known for.
Bears got
Yeah,
freaking
no.
ran over. This is the same event that they did yesterday, where they were sitting on demand. It looked like they were going to take the floor out. VIX was breaking out, and then they hit the reverse gear and fucking smoked right off demand fast. And look what happened. Look what happened yesterday when they did this. They made new highs, and then they went back to the lows. I'm still sitting in runners. My average is $1.40. We're currently at $1.90. Oh, Joyce is the best. Joyce paid me today, Mark. If they crack the 200 VWAP POC, all this, then they should trap back to the lows.
Wow, that was the best level for puts, guys. I should have fucking added. What a pussy I am.
You're right.
That was fuck. No, I'm just holding so heavy. I don't want to add anymore.
I
Thank God it's
specifically
Friday.
asked, would I take a put play? You guys prevented me from making money. That's it.
I personally
Thanks.
wouldn't have taken that play
Cheddar
because of the
Flow.
power, Albert. Because if they did do a channel breakout and broke pre-market supply, it's empty pocket and you would get steamrolled.
Albert, I told you guys that is the best level for puts. BOS.
I took it.
That was the best level. Break of structure levels always hit.
I just added to my runners.
Now if they do it, guys, it's gonna be party time. Now if they fucking do it, baby, let's go. I just flipped green back to green. Now it's a money printer starting. Now if they do it, oh buddy.
This is the middle.
Just to put in a call.
Put to calls. Put side heavy.
Just slicing everything. Everything is being sliced like butter.
This is bounce zone though. If
Yeah,
do
they
it.
should bounce here, guys. If they slice this, they have a lot of power to going down. But they should bounce here.
I wouldn't touch anything here. Market's pretty much back to where we opened.
Oh yeah, slice baby, margarine butter baby.
My stop is at previous close, and I'll still be in profit.
Holding this one position all fucking day. Have to pay me, market makers. I'm a good person.
You ever see that video of the guy that's on the roller coaster, Dimitri, and he's got a straight face?
Yeah.
This is how I feel like you are in every single one of your positions.
I've seen this.
We're supposed to backtest the channel, guys. We're supposed to backtest the channel. That's why.
I'm expecting a bounce.
I am very-
small bounce here.
Ryan, that's us looking at Dimitri like that every time.
All right, I'm out. I
he
just
talks
stopped
about
out.
his
I'm
position.
very, very certain, guys, we're gonna get my channel, guys. Very, very certain, guys. I posted a picture, guys, what channel I want backtested. Not a 0 dates play, a weekly play, guys.
I think I might have got faked out on that.
Let's go, baby.
I expect a bounce.
Market builds people to be complacent, and then they do it. But yo, PCP is fucking strong. Very, very strong PCP. We didn't even hit PCP yesterday by a few cents. So I could tell that this week is about previous closing prices.
This is VWAP area again. See them flip this with power. I'll get back in 648 calls. They need to flip VWAP in the 50.
This is sloping support.
QQQ still looks like it has room to previous close. VWAP gets taken out, I'm jumping back. QQQ. Everything's pretty much sideways right now. Market looks indecisive. Bulls are showing back up on the Qs. But they got no legs.
They have 0 legs today. What a
But
disgusting
today-
range. It's a $1 range.
want to see a little push out of here, and then I'm jumping back in. QQQ's looking weak. They got room to pull it back if they want. My momentum play.
Ryan, I can't change your time frames, right? Because I'm on view mode.
Which time frames?
I'm saying because I'm always looking at your trading view.
On trading view?
That you shared.
I
Yeah.
can just help you set up your trading view so it looks exactly like mine.
I already have it, bro. I'm looking at yours. It's just it's on view mode only.
Yeah, no, what I'm saying is if you make a trading view account, I can just set yours up so it's identical to mine.
I have it. I have an account. I've been having an account.
I don't know how to get it out of view mode.
No. I could do it regular mode. I could just view it. I have it saved, but I just don't know if it saves with it. Let's see.
VWAP flips, they're going to step on the gas. Until then, this is supply. Come on, let's start the party.
What a disgusting range. There's nothing to do here.
Oh, if they flip VWAP, I'm chasing this momentum. I need to see them actually push, though. Looks like they're going to do like a breakout, fake out to the 200. Do, 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 do. 649. I'm gonna hammer this if they break it. Do you think market's waiting for the Apple event?
I don't know what the fuck market's doing. This is ridiculous. It's a 80-90 cent range. I am green on my position. I'm just patiently waiting.
I want them to bust through the VWAP in the 50 right here, and I'm going to try to chase heavy size to the 200. That's my game plan for like a little pop. First price target's going to be the 200. Second price target's going to be supply, 649.50. But as of right now, I don't see the strength. QQQ's looking weak. They have room to go down a previous close, QQQ. Everything's supply right here.
You're building a lot of liquidity here. Can we please just dump to my price target so I can get the fuck out of here? ECP is super strong, man.
Yeah. I'm going to try calls at this double bottom again.
You guys have a template saved for TradingView that I can just click on and load it? Or is
if you go into my channel, I posted mine. But
Okay.
it goes into view only mode for some reason. I got to figure out how to so you can like upload it to yours. Also depends on what membership you have on TradingView probably as well, because certain memberships only allow you to have X amount of indicators.
True. Yeah, I see it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm
QQQ's
still
back
in
to
full
previous
size.
close. This is bounce zone QQQ. This is
Still
bounce
in
zone
full size.
SPY. QQQ takes out previous close. We should make a fresh low. I'm going to try calls here. Fresh low is my stop. I'm a little bit out the money, 649s.
My price target is my orange line if you guys are looking at my screen.
Are they going to do this again and bounce off of this demand? I'll take another fucking 5,000 if they do it.
They definitely could.
Market's been so obvious lately, dude. I don't understand. They've been paying people very obviously. This is where you sell some. Previous close
If
rejection.
PCP is a rejection, yeah. Oh, buddy, come on. Let's continue this strong selling algo, guys. This is a strong selling algo.
Look where Q's is sitting though right
channels.
now. Q's is sitting on demand, strong demand.
We please
China
make
wall is
this
going to be
strong
previous close on SPY. That's first sell target if you're trying calls off the bottom here. Previous close is first target, second target it's going to be
buddy.
view up. If I see QQQ slice previous close, we're going to make a fresh low on SPY. I'm down to
It's
half
do or
size
die,
position.
guys. This is do or die.
It's a higher low on QQQ right now. Also higher low on SPY.
But it's a very strong selling algo, Ryan.
Buddy, I don't care. I'm up 7,000. I'm in calls here off the bottom. Pretty much right at the bottom. If they make a fresh low, I stop out. I'm in profit here.
Yeah, it's impressive how many trades you took. I'm still on my first fucking trade. Oh god, strong selling algo breaking.
I took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades. This is my 7th trade.
I have 3 fills. That's it. 1 trade, 3 fills.
Oh, my fills are always high. I have 29 fills because I'm always dollar cost averaging. This is simple right now. We got a floor at 648.50 and supply is at previous close. Best area to short is previous close. If they flip it, get out of it. Best area to go long is 648.50. If they break the floor, get out of it. I'm in calls off of the floor. I took some off. I took my half of my position off at previous close, and I'm waiting for them to either poke through previous close and continue to pay me, or if they go through the floor, then I'm going to stop out my runners. QQQ is sitting on top of PCP. If PCP breaks, SPY will make a fresh low on QQQ. There goes the floor. Previous close is breaking on QQQ. I'm out. Are you going to sell now, Dimitri?
Oh, I told you my price target, buddy.
Just take some profits. Look at this.
Here
It's
you go.
dumping.
I know it's dumping. I have a price target. I have my macro line.
All right.
A little bit lower, and I'm gonna sell. Here we go. This is the move I was looking for, guys. This was the move I was looking for. A little bit lower, and I sell everything. A little bit lower.
The move an hour ago he was looking for.
Albert, you green?
Did you have conviction with me, Albert, or no?
I was. Huh?
Did you have conviction with me?
Yes.
No, you didn't, because you just made fun of me.
No, dude, there's no conviction when we went to 648.50 and we went all the way to
Roll out, guys. Price
649.70.
target hit.
You can't hold
Roll out,
conviction
guys.
like
That's
that.
Price
I'm in
target
calls. I'm in calls. 648 calls.
hit. One and done trade, baby.
Good job. You probably had $20,000 worth of drawdown though.
No, I did not. I had a $4,000 drawdown.
You sure about that?
Price target hit, guys. 648. Price target hit. Done.
Let's go, Shannon.
Anybody took that?
I'm in calls here for a retest of the
I
floor.
took a little bit of it to make my money back. I was down $300. Now I'm down only $10.
Guys, they want to go lower. Don't forget VIX. VIX has a lot more room to go now. VIX just made a higher high. SPY making a lower low. Structure is lower low, lower highs, guys. We're gonna dump like crazy, guys. I'm done
looking at
trading. I'm very
yesterday's-
happy with what I
I'm
have.
looking at yesterday's demand 647.90s. I want to retest
We're gonna
bounce
dump,
of this
dump, dump,
floor.
dump.
I want to retest bounce of this floor.
Dump, 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 dump,
648.50.
guys. Keep holding your puts, guys. Keep holding your puts if you have runners. We're gonna dump like crazy, guys. There's an open gap. Yesterday's lows, open gap, guys. 647.21. We're gonna take out yesterday's lows, guys. We're gonna take them out. Keep holding your runners.
QQQ still leaking.
VIX has a channel breakout, guys. VIX price target $16. I sold way too early, guys. Keep holding your puts, guys. Keep holding.
I'm back in calls 648s. 250 contracts. Wow.
Beautiful,
they wanna
guys. Look
go.
at the VIX, guys. Look at the VIX, guys. We're gonna dump, 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 dump. We're gonna take out yesterday's lows, guys.
QQQ with
Yo, Ryan, I got in on that trade when that shit wicked red.
Which one? I'm
Pretty
gonna
good.
stop out here.
Oh.
If we continue, I'm gonna stop out.
Let's do.
There's no thank you. There's nothing
God
below
bless
yesterday's lows.
Dump, 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 guys. Who's still holding? Holy fuck! I would have made fucking 30,000 here.
Holding. I'm looking at the VIX.
Oh, VIX has nothing. VIX has nothing, guys. VIX's price target $16. VIX has nothing. Channel breakout VIX.
It's keeping me in.
Yeah.
I want to see a retest of this floor.
Yesterday's floor should break, guys. Yesterday's floor should break because we need to fill the gap from yesterday. We did not fill the gap all the way. I think it was 1 or 2 cents away.
647.90 is going to be my first price target. Second price target is going to be 648.40. If we do get a powerful bounce. QQQ is still looking like shit. They want to go lower.
Mark, the best moves don't retest. The best moves don't retest. This tells me we're gonna dump like crazy today, guys. Dump, 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 dump all day.
I won't believe you till you repeat dump one more time.
Dump, 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 dump. Ice cream, baby.
Oh, I just gave
There
some
you go,
back.
guys.
I just stopped out.
There we go, guys. There we go, guys. Price target hit, guys. Take your puts out. Price target hit, guys. Sell your puts. That's it. Price target hit.
This is the last area I'm going to try calls. This is yesterday's lows.
This
If
is
they,
major support, guys.
they
Major
crack this,
support.
then fucking forget about buying calls. I'm in heavy here. Very heavy. 250 contracts.
This is major support, guys. Exit your puts. Don't get calls. I don't recommend getting calls. Look at the MACD.
I expect a small
Let the
bounce.
MACD flatten. Let's go, Joseph. Look at that. $459.
I'm still super green on the day, Shannon.
Wow, what the fuck? It's got slipped, bro. I'm back to zero
Yo,
for
Joseph,
the day. I was supposed to be up.
You gotta go get some oysters, buddy.
Ice cream.
Damn, I sold way too early.
Look at QQQ wants to go lower.
Sold way too early, man.
QQQ's looking like it wants to go lower. I got a 73-cent average on 648 calls. They're pretty far out the money. I'd like to try to flip them in the money. That would be great.
This is very strong demand, though, Ryan. You should be fine.
I'm up $1,600 here. And
But if they take this
250
strong
contracts.
demand out, guys, I have nothing till 6:45. I have nothing.
That's Max Payne. I want to retest of this
Like,
floor
literally.
that we broke. We didn't
Yeah,
retest
if we
the
take out
floor.
yesterday's floor, it's done. And I hope you guys banked on puts, guys, and sold.
I would have held the whole move.
You didn't believe in me, Albert. This is why I did Friday's expiration, buddy. You see, one trade,
Believe me,
15
bro.
Gs. You get
Believe
it?
me, bro. It's not believing in you, bro. It's believing in myself. I'm the one in control, clicking these buttons.
Dimitri, I have one issue with
down.
your trade today, though, and the biggest
What?
issue is you'd had $9,000 of profit at 10 o'clock, and you didn't take it, and you got trapped red all the way to pre-market supply.
I understand, but
If they flip
I get
pre-market
it.
supply,
I get it.
you
You're
would
right.
have got completely steamrolled. So the best thing that, if anybody was following you, this is not for you, I'm talking if anybody was following you, was to take profit at that 10 o'clock, 10:04 low, and then at break of structure, you re-enter puts. Because if they flip
Pretend I had a
pre-market,
cash account today where I just could take one trade. You get it?
yeah, if they flip pre-market supply, that's your exit, right? That would have been the best area to try it. Albert, you remember when you said, "Oh, I should have got puts"? The reason why I didn't get puts is because the power that I saw at 10:09, 10:10, 10:11 candle, if they flipped that break of structure pre-market supply, they were going to step on the gas. That's all. You just have to.
Players thing.
It's the best area to try, risk to reward, but if they step on the gas, you're going to get clobbered.
Mm-hmm.
Guys, bears did not come down here just not to take out yesterday's lows. We're gonna
I'm still
fill this
holding
gap,
calls.
guys. I do believe that we're gonna bounce, but I do believe we're gonna slice yesterday's lows. So let it pop
no
nicely
strength
and then hammer puts again. I have puts on my screen again, guys. I want 648 to
Big
back
bounce
test,
coming
guys,
in
and
on
I'm
Qs.
hammering puts again.
Big bounce
Yeah,
coming
I
in
want
QQQ.
648.
Triple scoop.
Haagen-Dazs,
Oh,
baby.
yeah.
Let's go.
100%, baby.
Let's fucking go. Good job, baby. job.
I'm gonna take some of my size off here on my calls.
Yeah. Take some size off, baby. I want 648, guys. 648, I'm hammering puts. Ugh.
This is where they can go to fresh low. I'm gonna go all out. That's while I still have profit.
Okay, guys, I just FOMO'd. I'm in puts. FOMO entry. FOMO entry for puts never works. I'm in puts. Oh my god. As soon as I get it, they just buy it all up.
Jeff's like, I'll take that.
They did not come here not to close the gap, guys. Yesterday's lows should slice. And then I do have a macro sloping support at 640, 650s.
I'm in puts, 648 puts.
Good job.
I want a fresh low.
Good job. We're finally in synchrony, baby. Let's go. That's the way to eat ice cream, baby.
This makes sense to me here. Dead cat bouncing fresh low.
Who's printing?
QQQ's looking weak.
Joey, you're disgusting.
What I want to know is, are we going to the fucking casino next week or what?
Absolutely, buddy. We are definitely going to the casino. I'm going to be the loudest one in the casino, Joey. They're going to kick me out.
No. I'll be right there with you.
I'm telling you, buddy, if they're going to give me those 2 dice to roll, the casino is going to be shut down.
Is Albert coming?
Absolutely. He's going to bring us ice cream.
They got Ben and Jerry's in there. We're good.
Fresh low, I'm out.
Hey,
Give me fresh
Ryan,
low.
who deleted my pictures?
I did. We have females in here. Both of you guys.
Oh Jesus! See, that's the moderator of the group right there. When we get to the casino, he's gonna be like, "You guys got to quiet down. Come on."
Let's
No.
go.
Wake the fuck up.
There we go.
Let's
Look at
go. Boom, boom, boom. Price target hit, guys. I'm all out. I sold.
I'm all out.
Wow, what a beautiful day.
160 bucks. Yes.
Hold a little longer.
Buying everybody ice cream with that money.
What a beautiful day, guys. Ryan, did you take your profits?
this. I took half.
Guys, the gap, I believe, is closed.
QQQ made a fresh low. Did SPY? Yeah, they put a wick
720.
there.
Yeah. No, the gap is still not closed. 1 cent, guys. The gap didn't close.
I want a body, fresh low body, not a wick.
Come on, guys. Break this fucking gap. Close this gap. I'm 100%
Den, you
cash.
gotta come up. Den wants to come too. You gotta have Den come up.
Then, if you come, I'm going to buy champagne bottles and I'm going to fucking walk around the casino spraying the whole halls, bro.
Den
Gonna
can
be
supply the champagne.
Champagne fucking party.
You might as well make it a get together. Everybody
I'm
can
out.
fly up.
I'm out. This is power. I'm out.
Why didn't you take your profits at that gap?
I took 150 off. I was holding runners. I was only holding 50 runners. Dude, don't tell me why did I take profits. What the fuck? You had $10,000 today.
Bro.
I'm in
Put some
647
respect on the
calls.
name.
I'm in 647 calls. This is power.
How many trades are you going to fucking take?
Enough trades for me to make more than what you made today.
Ooh. That's beef on my block.
I'm just kidding.
Here. Let me just remind you how much I have so you can make more.
Oh, fuck. Oh, yeah, baby. Let's go. Look at these calls. $1.32 is my entry.
Good
We're at
luck, Ryan.
$1.62. I want to retest the 648.50s. That would be ideal.
This is sloping resistance, guys. This is the best level for puts again, in my opinion. I'm not taking anything. This is sloping resistance. I would do puts again here, guys. 648 level and 6 sloping resistance. Puts,
Better
puts,
be
puts,
right,
puts.
Dimitri.
I would
Puts,
wait.
puts.
I would wait for 648.50s.
Fuck
Personally,
that shit. We ain't waiting today.
Puts, puts, baby. No waiting. Puts, puts,
Puts.
puts.
Dump. Let's go. Say
Dum,
dump.
dum, 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 dum.
Dump. Okay, let's see. You know what? I'm gonna sell here. I'm a
Who
pussy.
got puts there?
I got put up top.
That was a perfect level, guys. 648 and sloping resistance.
I'm still in calls. They validate this, I'm happy.
We're gonna get some cream calls today.
Oh yeah. I'm a $1.33 average. We're $1.47. 250.
Mr. X, you green for the day or what? It's not.
Maybe he can't hear you. Can you
I'm
hear
in puts, guys.
Can you hear
FOMO.
Albert, Mr. X?
Yeah.
I'm very red, but I'm very green on Top Step.
You're very red?
Yeah. I got fucking hosed on that air trap earlier, and then I bought calls and I accidentally clicked 100 contracts before that giant dump. I mean, I stopped out
Ooh.
pretty early, but still. Yeah, too. A big bull push got me and a big bear push got me. But I'm at $1,000 on my Top Step account, so another 1,000.
Only 500
I think
bucks.
you can only make
Can't make more than 15.
1,500's the number.
Yeah. If you already got 1,000, you could shut it off because you're still gonna have to work for 2 days, a day or two. The minimum you could do it is in 2 days. You got to hit 1,500 both days. I'm still in these calls. I want to retest the 648.50s, that floor that we broke.
Mitri, how those puts treating you?
I just added it, Albert, just to let you know. Quick
Oh,
update,
man.
Albert. I just added to my puts.
Very good. I love when you're transparent with me, bro.
I literally added when you asked me that question.
647.70s breaks. I'll sell my calls.
Oh, buddy, we are going to have fun.
QQQ's looking bullish.
I just want that fucking gap to fill. Can we fill that gap nicely?
Can we touch the floor first? I want them to touch that
I
floor.
really want that.
Where's the gap, Dimitri?
647.21.
I want them to go to 648.50s.
I'm looking at your chart.
It's the blue line, buddy. We didn't hit it by 1
okay.
cent.
Right.
Yeah, yesterday we didn't hit it also, that's why. So I just want to delete that blue line off my chart so we could hit it.
You switched to Tradeify? Which Tradeify, Joey?
Woohoo!
I was waiting for that.
Albert, how are your puts, baby?
I didn't get in. Cash.
Oh, you did not get in.
I'm about to chase puts with you.
Get in, bro.
648s.
I thought you were in calls.
I took them because my area broke. I said 647.70s breaks them out.
Buddy, this is the best day intraday I'm having right now, guys. This is the best day. Oh my god. Holy fuck. I'm gonna buy a fucking camel after this. Come on.
Camel ice cream.
What's
baby.
better about Tradeify, Joey?
God.
Do they have customer service that actually responds to you?
Go guys, let's go guys. Break it. Let's do it together.
1 day pass. What's your target? 3,000. How does the consistency days work? 5 days.
Dimitri, you lured us all into this fucking put. We better all make money.
This is my third trade, Albert. Just follow the wind. Structure is bearish. And gap did not fill.
Project X.
Structure
Is that the same platform that Top Step uses with the Trading View? I like that.
Bullish volume is coming in, guys. Bullish volume is coming in.
Oh, great.
Bullish volume is coming in.
I'm in 648
More
puts.
bullish volume is coming in. More bullish volume is coming in. I don't like this. I do
I'm
not
in
like
648 puts with you.
That's some slope and resistance, though, right?
Yeah, this
there's
is
a little bit.
resistance.
If this cracks, though, they're going to that floor that I wanted.
Bullish volume coming in, guys. Bullish volume.
Yeah, forget about it. QQQ's looking bullish. We have higher lows at the bottom. Forget about puts. They're going to 648.50 first. That's the best area to try to short. 648.50s.
Fuck. Took a loss.
Market want to go up.
Was that difficult for you to say?
Well, I said it. Bullish volume.
No, don't give all your gains back.
It's going to be very difficult to do. Market needs to go to high of day to give me all my gains back.
All right, good. Well, make sure you sell before it goes to high a day.
They're really not going to fill this fucking gap by 1 cent.
They're going to go retest this floor first. Oh, God.
Did you stop out, Ryan?
Yeah, I got back in, but I bought the wrong quantity.
Are you in puts again?
Yeah, I'm in 649 puts. If this floor flips, though, then forget about it. So this is the floor where I wanted to try a short. Like 648.45 to 648.50. QQQ's right at the floor right here.
A little bit higher, and I'm going to add a little bit higher. I just added.
If they flip this, then the bulls are going to step back in. That's the only concern.
Yeah. Yeah, this is the basement. They're trying to get out of the basement right now.
I did something very stupid, Dimitri.
What's your quantity?
I had an extra 0.
Ooh.
Yeah. I just flipped right on the day from that candle.
That's what I did earlier when I accidentally grabbed 100 instead of 50.
Yeah, I'm in 1,000. Oh my God. Oh, I'm right on the day. Jesus.
Wow, how the fuck did I just get in and get out that quick? What the fuck?
I'm fucking super red on the day. Holy shit.
Oh, what a beautiful reversal off of yesterday's lows.
Yeah, beautiful. Puts.
That was my market update, actually. I did say this, guys. Market update that we might yesterday's lows and do a W pattern. This could be a potential W pattern, guys. Double bottom from yesterday's lows. Did I say that? I think I said that in my market update.
I just got fucking steamrolled.
SPX?
No, I'm not gonna do that today.
How did you make that mistake of buying 1,000 contracts?
I had to type in the quantity and I typed 3 zeros instead of 2.
You don't have an automatic button for 100 for you?
I do. No, I don't have an automatic for 100. I have 50, 150, 250, 500, 1,000.
Why don't you have 100?
Because I usually start with 100 and then I press the 50 button and take half out. That's right. This pullback will flip me back. This is where I bought it here. Dude, I was
Does it
just
take a
down.
while?
I was just down 30,000 at the top of this candle. I'm back to negative 6,000 here.
Holy fuck.
Here we go. I did not mean
Did it
to
take
do
a while
that.
to fill 1,000 contracts?
Like a couple seconds, yeah.
Jeez. Jeez.
Oh, they need to pull off of this.
Fall off a cliff?
Oh, if they fall off a cliff, buddy. Whew. I'm down $800 here. This is moving the same as SPX with 100 SPX contracts.
Oh, your commissions is gonna be crazy. That buy and sell just cost you $600 something.
Oh, whatever. I'm green now.
Your commissions must be wild today, buddy.
Why don't you get out and jump back into the 100 now?
Booyaka, booyaka.
I guess you might as well ride it out, right?
If it's gonna go, I'm getting paid. I'm back to green on the day. You said booyaka, booyaka.
I just have my retarded moments.
That was
Touched
funny.
VWAP and went down perfectly. I got it within a millimeter if you want.
648.10.
fine.
648.10. See if they'll give us that. Booyaka. I'm red again.
I want to see this 5-minute candle close red, guys.
Oh,
in
could
the
you
next 1
imagine if
minute
we go to
and 20.
low of day?
That would be great. If
Holy
this candle closes red, it's going to be a lower high, and we're going to make a lower low.
QQQ's looking weak. Let's go, QQQ. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Those damn wick below the bodies. Probably gonna lighten up here. I don't like that we're holding this now.
This is looking like a lower high on the 5-minute time frame, guys. So we need to confirm by making another lower low. Yeah, 5-minute time frame looking nice. 8 seconds.
I just need us to punch through this 50 one more time so I can try to start trimming this out. But fuck. Oh, that's no good.
Ugh.
What the hell was that?
They just wanted to stop out. I think they just wanted some people to stop out, take some money.
That was an $8,000 fucking candle. Come on. We need to break this 50 right here. I don't know where the hell that bullish power just came from, but look at the volume.
I think Steven bought it from his Miami proceeds.
Yeah. Fucking Miami scam.
Nothing with the club with the heat is on.
What are you guys talking about?
One of the previous guys, our previous business partner, he's just a complete scammer. He doesn't trade. He's just he's got the gift of gab. He's very good at selling. He's a salesman. But he'll never share his screen.
Miami's the place for it.
Yeah, he'll never share his screen or share his broker or his fills. He'll just tell you he made $1 million in one day, and you'll have to believe him.
Oh, wow.
Fucking crazy.
Oh, my
But he
God.
drives a 2007 Nissan Rogue that's all rusted. But apparently he makes, $1 million a
fuck.
month.
Yeah, that's bullshit.
QQQ's going.
Yes, it is.
Let's
I
go,
need them to
let's go.
poke.
This could
I
be a
need them
nice
to poke
lower
through this
high.
50 right here. I need them to poke through this 50. As soon as they poke through this 50, I'll start taking some off. Take off like 100 contracts at a time.
I think you should just hold it forever.
Oh, buddy, if they go with my size right here.
Just hold it, Ryan. Just hold it. I want you to
Ooh.
beat my P&L today. Can you just hold it?
Well, I just flipped green like 6,000.
Can you just hold it? Keep holding.
Perpetual put.
This is gonna be cream puts.
I'm also holding heavy size, but not like you.
I'm gonna start trimming some. Looks like they're holding this floor here on the 50. QQQ already pulled it.
Yeah.
But their QQQ's at bounce zone 578.13. You see that 1033 candle
1033.
on QQQ?
Yeah.
That's why they're bouncing there.
You know, guys, I realize we always get this part of the day, and I hate this part of the day. This fucking chop zone part of the
This
day.
is called over trading part of the day. If you're
Yes.
shut it down.
Fuck this shit. I'm selling. I'm out.
Here we go.
That's
They're
it,
gonna
guys.
go.
$140 is gonna have to do today.
That's all right.
Love you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow, all right? Because
Good
I
job,
can't
buddy.
trade anymore anyways because I have a cash account. I took too many trades, even though they amounted to nothing really.
I'm
But
trimming.
better being green than red.
I'm trimming. This is
What cash
bounce on
account? Pattern
QQQ.
day trading?
QQQ is
What's up?
breaking.
Good job, Albert. You want to go to the gym?
Yes, it
Yeah,
is.
bro. I could go later if you want, but I know you're not gonna wait for me, so there's no point.
Here we go.
I gotta pick up my daughter at 4:00. So now.
Yeah, no, it's not gonna. I'm
Oh, yeah.
probably gonna be down tomorrow, bro.
Oh, yeah.
I don't like these wicks here.
Don't see how many fills I had today.
Who has better follow through?
QQQ looks.
Ryan, you must be up a shit ton of money right now.
No. I'm light. I'm only down at 250 contracts.
You pussy.
Why would I hold? This is where they could bounce.
Buddy, real men only hold.
I'm holding 250 contracts.
Buddy, hold it down.
It's still a $25,000 position.
You guys see what kind of structure market is making? We're making an inverse cup and handle, baby.
647.90s is where I want to sell realistically.
Look at this structure, guys. Inverse cup and handle structure. We're gonna break the fucking floor.
647.90s is where I want to sell. You know what? I'm spooked out. I'm all out. Dimitri, I'm not going to pass your P&L today. I feel like a roller coaster of emotions. I did not mean to buy that much.
I'm still in.
I'm at 8,000 for the day.
I'm still in. If we dump Ryan, it's going to be a record intraday day for me.
I'm at $8,000. 8,900.
You know, it's funny. I traded the same contract all day today. I was just rinsing and repeating it. Just 3 times.
I can't wait to watch this freaking Apple event, man. Okay.
I wish you would have held, honestly. I wish you would have held.
Dude, that one candle, I was freaking green and it flipped me red in one candle. I was like, what the hell? And I look at my size, I had 1,000 of them. Not mean to do that. I was up like 16,000 or something before. It's all good.
Oh, buddy, I wish you held. 648, guys, is major support. Right here, we're major support, guys. If we break this level, we're going to low of day. If we break this level, guys. I'm still holding. I want the gap to close, guys. I'm still holding low of day. Price target is low of day for me. I am green like crazy. Ryan, we are about to make crazy money.
Good job.
Still holding, guys. I'm gonna take
Okay.
some size off. I'm
Oh,
gonna take some size off at 647.75. Here you go, a little bit lower. I'm taking 100 contracts off soon. Should I just take it now? There you go, guys. Fuck it. I'll take 100 off now. I'm holding runners. This is demand.
Joey, are you still on?
This is demand. If we slice this also, guys, we're going to low of day
Dude, this
fast.
Tradeify is not good, dude. I'm looking at it right now. It's $250, which it's $50 more than Top Step. You have a $1,000 trailing max drawdown, and you have to do 7 days of consistency.
You're looking at the Lightning Funding Program. They have 3 different programs. You pay that $260, you go right to a funded account. It's $60 for a 50K account. You do the advanced one.
Oh, okay. All right.
Guys, this is an inverse cup and handle, guys, from yesterday's price action all the way to today's. If you look at the 1 minute chart, inverse cup and handle, the handle usually does a breakdown savagely.
Okay, Joey, I'm looking at this one now. So $3,000 profit target, trailing max drawdown 2,000. That's the same. Okay, 1 day to pass, $45 reset fee, $125 activation fee.
I only switched because of Top Step and their fucking customer service. I'm not gonna give them any more money. I got enough out of them, and I'm not fucking with them right now.
So look at these growth accounts. What's the difference between a growth and an advance?
I haven't done all the research on them yet.
Growth account has a daily loss of $12.50. That's the only thing that's different.
Come on, do it.
Minimum trading day to pass. So Lightning funded, you go straight into funded.
Right.
But you have a trailing drawdown of $1,000.
There's volume coming in and they're going north.
Joey, you know what the smartest thing to do would be?
Uh,
You buy the expensive 150K Lightning funded account for $500 and trade it like a 50K account because you have a $6,000 drawdown.
Yeah, you're right. That would be smarter. I didn't look at it that way. I jumped on it because I seen the Project X was coming out, and I jumped in too early. They're not releasing it till Friday.
What does consistency 20% mean?
So when you get, if I'm not mistaken, if you have to, you can't have, your best day can't be more than 20% of whatever your balance is. So you can't make 10 grand in one day and then turn around and make $100 a day and get a payout.
Gotcha.
I got to watch some videos on it tonight. I just got aggravated with Top Step, and there's no fucking way I was giving them another $50, and I blew my funded, so.
How much did you take from them total, Joey?
12.6.
12.6?
Yeah.
I wish you withdrew that fucking $8,000 account.
You and me both. Shoulda, coulda, woulda.
Yeah. That's the problem, dude, when you have the
What do
money.
they owe you?
They owe me another $7 grand, pretty much.
Well, do it with the Top Step, no? You've proven a track record that you can pull out.
Their customer service, and the last week, I'll have my stop loss at 300. It'll hit 175 negative, close my position out, but take the fucking 300. And I've been going back and forth with support. And you guys know how emotional and reckless my mouth is, that I'm like 2 seconds away from getting banned from them. They threatened me.
Really?
That's like a
They said you're not
volatility
allowed to
thing.
talk to customer service like that.
They said that to you?
Oh, yeah, I got a whole email about it saying that if this is my last warning and the next time they'll shut my account down.
Why? What did you say to them?
Oh, I went sick. I told them they were fucking full of shit. It was a bullshit excuse, and they're fucking scam artists, and they're just taking people's fucking money. I've wasted over 20 grand with you cocksuckers, and you can't even look at my account.
you say it exactly in those words?
Yeah, when I read the email to Ryan, he was like, "Dude, you're gonna get banned." And the next day, I got a
Can
fucking
you
email about
send me
it.
the email? I want to read it.
Hold on,
Can you send the group the email?
I can probably send the whole thing right to the fucking Discord.
Please, I actually want to read it.
Dude, they owe me. They owe me for an eval account. They haven't even emailed me back.
Oh, boo-hoo.
Listen, I was real aggravated, and you guys know I can't spell for shit anyway. But you know, that's part of the email. Hold on.
Holy shit. Broke your response. All info was put in the
Not to mention, not to mention, back to funded is a robbery. Your cust service has gotten so much worse. Buddy, just proofread your fucking email before you send it.
Use AI.
This sounds like a fucking retard.
It is a fucking
They
retard.
probably think you're like an 18-year-old kid.
Let me see what time I sent this. I was probably fucking drunk. Oh yeah, it was 6:02. I started
It
drinking
doesn't
at 5.
help your argument.
Please review funded
That was already-
account AMD all combined and make it right. Yule guys are now taking advantage of people. Don't respond with "we have back to funded." That's BS robbery and Strajit robbery. Buddy,
robbery.
I love this. It's important that all communication remains respectful. We kindly ask that future interactions reflect this standard.
Just use AI, man, to clean it up, make it sound professional. It's like two buttons.
So hold on. What's funny about that is I'm going to show you my last fucking email, and that's exactly what I did with them because I was trying not to get fucking banned. So I had ChatGPT write the fucking thing so I didn't look like a retard.
Okay, what happened?
They never responded to this one. I got a free no, I didn't get anything. They didn't respond at all.
This one seems like it's reasonable. It should be responded to.
Yeah, they've never responded it. They give you the same fucking answers all the time.
Is this their business model? Just take money and fuck around?
Their business model is supposed to be one rule, whatever the fuck it is, and all of a sudden there's like 35 fucking rules. So every time there's something new that comes up, there's some type of issue, and the more I keep watching my balance, you can pay attention to your balance. You'll make $1,500, but you'll see $1,430 in your balance. It's like they take $70 to $100 every time, and nobody will notice that.
Well, yeah, they're gonna have fees. You gotta expect them to have fees.
I'm just an emotional little bitch sometimes, so.
I don't know. I think if you can get the money out of them, dude, and you have an account that's passed, you just need to withdraw it. That's the way you got to play those accounts. You can't count on it to continue to grow because of the drawdowns.
Yeah. I just didn't want to give them another $50 and spend 2 days to fucking pass it and then fund it again and go through all the bullshit for all the next week.
Hey Ryan, I'm looking at the chart, the 11 o'clock candle that took like 6K just in a second. Do you see the volume on that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Huge amount of volume.
What the hell happened?
I don't know. Could be an algo.
Just in that shop to do that seemed really weird.
Yeah. A lot of the times, dude, on like whole timestamps, you'll see algos start or finish. Even on days like where we don't have news, you'll see like 10 o'clock candles have a lot of volume, 2 o'clock candles.
Oh, just something on and buys.
The way I see it,
be
at
computers.
11 o'clock with the stop loss, I see it that a lot of people had shorts. They did that candle stop loss. Stop loss was VWAP, and then they dumped. That's how I see it. It was like a stop loss candle for everybody to get wiped out, and then they went the particular way that they wanted to.
At 10 or 11?
At 11, the 11 o'clock candle, a
Yeah.
lot of bears were lined up at 10:56 or even 10:57. What they did at 11 o'clock was wipe out their stop losses. Because that wick did go higher than the 10:55 candle. Stop losses were wiped out, and then they went to the direction of their choice, what they wanted to.
Okay,
That's how I
liquidity, a
look.
liquidity grab. Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
That's how I look at it. Yeah, you got to look at it like that. Because they wanted
Yeah.
to go south, but a lot of bears were lined up 3 minutes ago.
Right, and they did, but they stepped down. It wasn't fast one.
But they had to wipe out all their stop losses, and then they went down.
Yeah, crazy amount of volume, like 3 times daily.
Joey, I'm going to
These
do
guys,
some
they play
research on
30
this.
games.
I'm going to do some research on this, Joey, because honestly, what I'm looking at right now, you're better off paying for the Lightning funded account and going to the 150K and just trading it lightly because you have a huge cushion.
Okay. I just didn't want to do it because I don't like their platform. I don't like TradeHub, and it's kind of tricky. But now that I figured out how to use the stop loss with it and drag it, like I was talking to you about the other day, maybe would be worth it.
Yeah. It just makes sense to me, right? If you can buy yourself past an evaluation, and you're already on a funded account, from the 25K account to the 150K account, you still need a minimum of 7 trading days to get a payout. But if you take the 150K account, your daily loss in trailing max drawdown 6,000 versus only 1,000 on a 25K.
Yeah, that makes a big difference. I also have I have some promo codes to use on that shit too and get 30% off.
I'm just saying, dude, it makes sense if you want to pay your way through, because if you do 2 evaluations on a 50K, you're at $500 anyway. You know what I'm saying?
I'm pretty sure the growth account has no activation, right?
Growth account has an $85 activation fee.
Which one had no activation? There was one that had probably.
Well, I'm sorry, that's a reset fee. There's no activation fee on growth. Activation fee on advanced is $125 plus your $48 a month.
Yeah, I
But
bought the growth account.
If you go straight to funded, you just pay $500 and you got a funded 150K account. You got to trade for 7 days and your max drawdown $6,000. So you can hit base hits on that for 7 days, dude, and start taking payouts. That's what I'm thinking would make the most sense.
There's another one. Look at funded next since you're not trading.
Funded next.
A lot
Guys,
of people
look how bad the data is, guys. I just posted a picture of the data. Look how horrible we're in economical times.
Funded next.
Yeah, see which one you like better. Funded next, a lot of people are talking about it on social media.
No activation fee, no time limits. Reward in 3 days. Let's see. Start challenge. Let's take a look. Rapid challenge. Pass challenge in 1 day. Reward in 3 days. No daily loss limit. One-time fee.
They're expensive, if I'm not mistaken, but
Rapid challenge. This one for a 50K is $130.
and that one has a max payout of 15K or something. 15 or 16,000 is your max payout.
There's no daily loss limit,
Instead of-
no activation fee. You need a 40% consistency on that one. Let's take a look at this one. This is the legacy challenge, whatever this means. You get a performance reward. Profit target's 2,500 on a 50K account. Daily loss is 1,200. Maximum loss is 2,500. The 40% consistency rule is interesting. I like the
You trying to do
consistency.
the trend?
No, I'm just looking at other prop firms because they all have different rules. Joey, the 40% consistency rule is much better than Tradeify's 20.
Right?
Yeah, because Tradeify, you can't make more than 20% of your total profit in one day.
And it takes 7 to get the payout, but 3 days with Funded Next.
Funded Next, you can make up to 40% of the total profit. And I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, but they still use fucking Trade of 8, which kind of sucks. I mean, the order filled is better, but it's not as annoying. Actually, yeah, it is.
I don't know, man. Just hammer them all. Take money from all of them.
Once I figure out Trade of 8, I will.
I'm sure you can figure it out. There's tons of YouTube videos on it. It's just that Tradeify straight to funded account seems like the most logical, and to me, the least amount of people are probably spending $500 on it. You know what I mean? Most people that are doing this are spending the $48 for the 25K account or 50K account. If you spend the $500 and you already have a past account, and all you have to do is hit 7 trades and make sure you don't blow up more than $6,000, and you're getting a payout, I'm pretty sure you can do that.
That's true.
If you trade it like a 50K account, don't trade all 15 contracts that they give you. Just trade 5, 1 to 5. You know what I mean?
Stay with like them 2 or 3, yeah.
Yeah, 100%. And then the only issue I see is your consistency target is 20%. It's pretty low. Let me look at this again. Lightning funded. Consistency is 20%. To have a trailing drawdown of 6,000 is pretty comfortable if you're only trading a few contracts, though.
Yeah, you're right.
But the cool thing on the on the 25K account, there's no daily loss limit, but you have $1,000 trailing drawdown. That's close. It just obviously grows with the size of the account that you do, but I would wait for them to get your project decks and go hammer them. Are you trading on them already?
I'm trading on Trade of 8, but
Yeah.
I don't really like the way it sets up. It's kind of finicky. I mean, it's fine if you keep your trading view to the left and you have the 2 screens, it's fine because then you can watch it. But the way the candlesticks move and the other shit move is just...
Yeah. Dimitri, are you still in a position?
I'm in runners. It's not that crazy. I'm in runners, yeah.
All right. Well,
I'm done trading them. I'm just gonna wait until the break of structure level breaks. If we break of structure, I'm out, and if we don't, I'm just gonna hold these runners.
yeah, I
But
think
other than that, I'm not trading anymore.
I'm going to jump off also. I'm
Yeah.
going to keep my eye on Apple when the event starts, so I'll probably be in the chat like 1, 2
What time is
o'clock.
the event?
I believe it's at 1 o'clock today. Hold on 1 second.
Eastern time?
Apple is at 9 o'clock Pacific, or 10 o'clock Pacific time. What's Pacific? It's 4 hours, correct?
Yeah.
Is it 4 hours?
3 hours. 3 hours.
Apple Live.
Stop film.
1 p.m. Yeah, 1 p.m.
What is filled?
Oh yeah,
This
order
is break
filled.
of structure, guys.
I just heard stop filled and order filled in the same 5 seconds. What are you doing over there?
I added a contract.
Are you in puts? Because that's not the answer.
No, I'm in calls.
Okay. Say calls to 648.50 would work. Anything below 648.50, get out of them.
I'm trying NQ. I'm on NQ. But yeah.
Oh yeah. Why don't you just stick to SPY? Because you watch SPY. You don't trade QQQ.
NQ moves faster.
Yeah.
Yes, it does. It's for us degens.
Yeah, NQ moves faster.
Well,
You can either pop your account really quick or be okay really quick.
That was like Henry, dude. Henry always traded NQ.
Yeah, that's why he blew up. He's not here anymore.
Yep.
Yes.
Eventually, Joey, all this funded stuff's gonna dry up. That's why it's best to just learn, how to trade your own options and be profitable and only rely on yourself and your brokerage. I think it's great that you're getting money out of them, but just keep it in your back pocket. When you have money, just withdraw it out of there, dude. That's what I would say.
Yeah.
There was 2 instances now that I recall where you could have withdrew like another 3,000 or 8,000 out of your past accounts.
Yeah, another 3,000, and I popped it.
So, and then, dude, what if the company just decides to shut their doors? If they're just like, oh yeah, we're done, we're closing up shop, and you have a $100,000 balance in there. That's the other scary side of it. But until then,
who's Jim in moderators?
Who's what?
I'm just looking at the whole.
Oh, don't get him started.
Jim?
Yeah, there's 3 moderators according to Discord, right? There's Dimitri, Optum, and Jim.
Dimitri and I have known Jim for a few years now, many years actually, and he's an older gentleman that's been trading pretty much his whole entire life, and he likes to do a lot of penny stocks. He shorts penny stocks in the morning.
Not a Jeff. There's another guy, Jeff, you mentioned for penny stocks. Different person.
Jeff. When we talk about Jeff, we're talking about a market maker. As a joke. Right. Jim's a real person. For all we know, though, Jim could probably be a market maker. What do you think, Dimitri?
He's an guy.
Yeah, he's a great guy, though.
But he's just in his own room doing his own thing.
He's in his own world. Like, he'll come on and probably trade for a half hour in the morning before market opens, and then he already made 100,000 for the day.
On pennies.
Yeah.
Yeah, he makes crazy money on penny stocks.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you won't see him very active much, but when he does drop knowledge, it's in his section. And then one thing to keep in mind, he does trade very, very macro. So if you were ever considering on following one of his plays or something, just consider that it's usually a very macro move and expect to add to it.
Right.
So it's a long-term swing. He's not scalping pennies.
He scalps pennies in the morning, yeah, but his swings are usually very macro.
Okay. Okay.
God. All right, guys.
I've never dabbled with shorting penny stocks. I know it's very dangerous. You can lose an infinite amount of money. So, small disclaimer there: do your research. That's not something I'm not really familiar with. I've never messed around with it. Dimitri, have you?
Shorting penny stocks? No.
Yeah. All I know is you can lose a lot of money, as like everything else in the market. But when you're opening yourself up to a short position, you have no insurance policy. It's just infinite. If you're short selling.
Yeah, it seems more gambly kind of feeling than trading.
Remember GameStop? How all the market makers lost a ton of money on GameStop?
Yeah.
And they lost billions of dollars.
More shorts.
Yeah.
There was more shorts or something than there was actual stock.
Mm-hmm.
something like that.
So you just lose money to infinity if market keeps going up. If
It
you're
is a
short
high
term.
probability chance that you're going to make money, but there is a small probability that the stock that you're shorting is going to have a mega short squeeze, and it might be up 3 to 800% in one day. So you get it?
Which is
But
very
oh,
realistic
yeah,
for a $1 stock to go to $6 or $7. You know.
yeah. But overall, you have a very high win rate overall. There's always that black swan event where the stock that you're shorting is going to have a mega short squeeze, and you're going to lose infinite amount of money if you don't have stops.
From my understanding,
Is it
Mr.
liquid
X,
enough?
from my understanding, Mr. X, he has a screener where he looks for like unusual volume and big movers pre-market,
Yeah.
and then just shorts the volatility, because you don't want to just throw your money into a dead low volume penny stock either, because you're never going to get filled. And that's another problem when you're playing with size. You're also worried about getting filled too.
Yeah. There's not enough liquidity, so he's just fading the pops. The bullshit pops.
Essentially, yeah.
Because these are bullshit companies. They just get in because of retards, because of volatility. All of these companies eventually go to zero.
I guess you have to have a broker that has the stocks to be able to short them.
Yeah,
You
he
need
has
a-
a very
you need a-
special broker.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a buying fee. It's a borrow fee. And
You
all
need-
of these companies that he looks at is low float. That means they have very, very small outstanding shares to the public. So they could go like fucking crazy, if that makes sense, like volatility wise.
Yeah. No, it seems like a game more than trading or investing.
It is a gain because the market cap of these companies are probably me, Ryan, and Jim's full portfolio. Like us three, we can move that whole stock if that makes sense.
Yeah. So, right, I get he's got experience doing that.
So that's what he has advantage. He probably has a huge broker, and he could move these tickers because these tickers are super low float. We're talking about like 3 to 5 million outstanding shares, the public, which is wild. Nothing.
And they're sub $1, most of them. Or $1.
Yeah, and they're all sub $1 exactly. So when you see them go up 200-300%, he's gonna fade them because eventually, just like the VIX, they all get faded.
Oh yeah,
It's
speaking of,
brilliant. It's brilliant. It's a very high win rate. It's actually an extremely high win rate, but there's always that black swan event.
My luck, I would try it and I would get caught in the black swan where the penny stock goes 10,000%. That's just the way.
It's an
That's the
extremely
way
good
it
win
works
rate.
for me.
Remember that stock, Mr. XYZ, DWAC, DWAC?
no, it wasn't that one. I didn't hear about it.
Before it was Trump's company. It was called DWAC, and it literally went 1,000% every day for like a couple of days. It was wild. It was wild.
Imagine being on the short side of that.
Like
Yeah,
I
that
literally saw the stock go up thousands of percents in 1 week. It was insane.
Did you guys try and trade that?
I didn't.
No. That's the black swan event I'm trying to sell you. Like the stock just
Yeah.
keeps going up and 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 up. But it's a shit stock. It's a shit company that you know is gonna go down eventually, but it just keeps going up and up and up because a lot of retail traders are just pouncing on it. So the volume is insane.
Joey posted one this morning.
Yeah, there's probably 5 to 6 of them every day.
Yeah.
That's why he has those scanners to look at. It's a very high win probability. You will win 80 to 90% of the time.
Oh, I don't know. I just feel like I wouldn't be able to get out because of liquidity.
No, you would because these tickers are traded with an extreme immense volume. We're talking about average day. These tickers are traded like 100,000 to a million volume. On these crazy days, they're traded like hundreds of millions to even a billion of volume. Like we're talking about a lot of
3-cent stock,
shares.
isn't it?
Yeah.
10-cent stock.
Yeah.
Sure.
Those are the days that he looks for, though. Like the high volume days, there's going to be a shit ton of liquidity. So you'll be able to come in and come out very fast.
That's what
Don't
she
let
said.
the volume dry up, because once the volume dries up, then you're done.
Yeah.
Yeah. But no, his win rate is very high.
I just get scared of it, short selling anything because your ass is to the wind.
Yeah, that's true.
You also got to account for borrow fees, because the broker does have a huge fee for these borrow rates, these penny stocks. So there's a lot of fees and everything involved. All right, guys, have a good one.
Yeah, man, I'm gonna jump off too. I'll probably pop back in when Apple starts kicking off, but as of right now, I think Apple's already in their tunnel heading south. I wouldn't be surprised if they put a crazy spike up when their event starts, and historically they usually sell it back off the next couple days. So
Yeah.
But all right, good job today.
Thanks, guys.
See you guys later.
Take care, everyone. Take care. Bye.